Are you looking to quit your job and become your own boss? Set your own working times and become financially free? Or perhaps you want to make a passive income so that you can complement your salary? Well, you've come to the right place. My name is Darren and I've been doing YouTube behind the scenes for almost 2 years now. And in those 2 years, I've failed dismally. Now I'm finally on the YouTube program and I thought why not share some of the insights and the knowledge I've learned in those years to help you create and develop your own channel. Now, full disclosure guys, this takes a lot of work. If you're prepared to follow me on this journey, your future self will thank you for it. I have 10 steps on which you should start. And these goes as follows. Number 1. In order for you to start a YouTube channel, you're going to need your own email address. Think of a theme or a niche that you're interested in and focus on that solely. This is something you're going to be doing for a very long time, so make sure you are passionate about the topic that you choose. Just press record. I can't stress this enough. You do not need a lot of equipment, and that's what a lot of people might think or say that you do, but actually all you need is your phone to get started. Now, making videos can be a very scary thing, especially because you're not actually speaking to a person, you're just speaking into a camera, and that can become nerve-wracking and also might be very awkward. But as time goes by and you continue uploading, your presence on the YouTube channel will become second nature and you wouldn't even have to think about it as you move on to your next videos. Now, this is a very important part. You're going to have a very low view count as well as a low subscriber count. But don't let this discourage you. Some of the wealthiest YouTubers have started with 0 subscribers as well as only a couple of views a day. A very important thing to keep in mind is that doing research is extremely important and using tools like TubeBuddy to help you move along and choose the best videos so that you can stand out in front of the crowd. The only person who's stopping you from doing this is you. This journey can take months, if not years, but if you are willing to be consistent and stick to it, it will be extremely worth it for you. So go out there and begin your YouTube channel without fear and grab it by the horns. It's not too late to start your own YouTube channel. As we move into a more electronic age or a social age, opportunities in the internet like YouTube are a very powerful tool for young people who are unemployed or those who actually just need an extra source of income. In the next video, I'll go step by step through the process I use to make my videos. I'll also show you which tools I use so that you can copy and paste the process I do on a day-to-day basis. I'll also include links in the description below on free software that I use to edit my videos on low-end computers like these, as well as audio softwares that will help you to try and get the best quality out for your videos. So with that said, take the first step and tell yourself that you can do it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you are kept informed and don't miss another upload. I will continue this series until the end of the year, so feel free to ask me any question in the comment section below should you have any questions. Until the next video, keep hustling, keep grinding, keep putting in the work, and you will make this a reality.